Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mimi, and for those of you who are new, welcome. So today's video I'm going to be showing you how to install this gorgeous hair from Luvme Hair Company. And by the way guys, today's video is sponsored by Luvme Hair Company. Oh my goodness, you guys, I am really obsessed with this gorgeous wig. Oh my goodness, I love the texture, I love the curls, I also love the length. It is giving natural, honey. Like the texture of this hair, you guys, this hair is so soft. The lace is giving natural, so do not tell me that this hair is not growing out of my scalp, because honey, you and I are going to fight. Okay, I am so excited to be showing you how I installed this gorgeous wig. Please do not forget to check the description box, you guys, for more information and of course for direct links to purchase this wig if you want to look as gorgeous and as natural as I do. Okay, so without any further ado guys, let's get straight into today's video. So guys, before we get into the installation process, I quickly wanted to do an unboxing so that you know exactly what to expect when you purchase hair from Luvme Hair Company. The first thing that they sent me was this scarf to lay edges. It is written Luvme Hair. Oh, it's upside down. It is written Luvme Hair Company. They were also kind enough to send me an edge brush. They also sent me this gorgeous phone sticker, and of course these amazing earrings.
I just wanna hold you. I just wanna look into your eyes and tell you that I want you. You make me feel so alive. Can't stop thinking about you day and night. Love it when you kiss me, love it when we touch. Every time I'm down here, you make me smile. You're the solution. You are when it's getting late. Got it all, babe. Say vamps when you're ready. I'm here when you need me. I'm yours if you'll let me. Got it all, babe. Say vamps when you're ready. I'm here when you need me. I'm yours if you let go. Boy, loving is a safe card. You don't have to play hard. Love and let go. Boy, you don't have to play smart. We can take it slow. You know it. Every time it's a blessing, and I know we can take it to the next level. If you let go, boy, you don't have to play smart. We can take it slow. You know it. Go ahead and tell your friends. Talk it out, but it won't end. You are never true to heart. You need me when it's getting dark. Got it all, babe. Say vamps when you're ready. I'm here when you need me. I'm yours if you let me. Got it all, babe. Say vamps when you're ready. I'm here when you need me. I'm yours if you let go. Boy, loving is a safe card. You don't have to play hard. Love and let go. Boy, you don't have to play smart. We can take it slow. You know it. Every time it's a blessing, and I know we can take it to the next level. If you let go, boy, you don't have to play smart. We can take it slow. You know it. If you let go.
Guys, I'm really happy with the hairline. Oh my goodness, I'm just asking myself, do I really need makeup? Because already I'm glowing. Okay, I'm so happy. Look at that, guys. Sure.
Loving is a safe card. You don't have to play hard. You love and let go. Boy, you don't have to play smart. We can take it slow. You know it. Every time it's a blessing, and I know we can take it to the next level. If you let go, boy, you don't have to play smart. We can take it slow. You know it. Talk to me nice, talk to me honestly. Look in my eyes, don't let it fall on me. Say you're a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it. See how rewind, when we rewind, feels so nice. We time, you I know how to make me feel right. I can't help how. Let this sweet talk, I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes. Sweet talk, you need to say let's convey. No need for no flowers, babe. I'm already on my way, on my way. Why you blushing? Yeah, sweet concussion. Oh, you miss my touching. Good girl. Show me something. Give me more than one thing. I need more than less than I do.
And there you have it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I'm really obsessed with this wig. It's giving natural. Okay, like it's giving natural, and I'm here for it. I love the softness of these curls. I love everything about this wig. The texture, guys, it's literally giving natural, and I'm just like, baby, I'm here for it. Okay, like Oh my goodness, I look so stunning. I look so stunning. I love it. I love everything about this wig, you guys. I'm really excited. So yeah, if you are interested in purchasing this gorgeous wig from Luvme Hair Company, please do not forget to check the description box for more information, and of course for direct links to purchase this gorgeous wig. Yeah, that's the end of today's video, you guys. I am so happy. As y'all can see, I love this wig so much. Like, oh my goodness, I love it so much. So until next time, you guys, bye bye.